Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela K.O.D. Today we are making Atekye, Obuasi fried rice, AYEE TUROO, and Atekye, one of the most popular street food in Seshi, and Obuasi Sikakrom. Come with me and let's make this delicious healthy meal. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. Thank you. Come with me and let's cook together. For ingredients for making our Obuasi fried rice, we'll be needing our palm nut base, guys. This is it. We have some goat meat, mackerel, ajun, garden eggs, ginger, garlic, Turkish berry, fresh tomatoes, onion, and rice, and salt to taste. So guys, these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our cooking. Guys, so these are the ginger, onion that we are using. We are blending for the steaming of our goat's meat. So our ponchina beer. When I was mentioning the ingredients, I forgot pepper. What is abenkwan without Ghana soup without pepper? So guys, we'll be needing our pepper too. Guys, we'll go ahead and add our meat. Oh, your punch. Come on. I'll go ahead and add my blended ginger, garlic, and onion. We'll go ahead and add salt. Salt is always to your taste. Fire. And then we'll stir it in. Then we just cover it up for this meat to steam. Guys, our meat the goat meat is doing perfect. The flavors here, guys, so amazing. So it's still cooking. We cover it up again and allow it to cook. Our meat has steamed perfect, so I'll go ahead and add our palm nut base, guys. Go ahead and add my dry herrings and then cover it up. Cook our veggies, guys. Guys, so we are going to blend our Turkish berries, pepper, and tomatoes and add it to our soup. I'll go ahead and add my onions. Go ahead and add our blended veggies, guys. Our Obuasi fried rice soup is doing so perfect. AYEE TUROO is doing really good. Go ahead and add my dry fish and my mackerel, guys. Go ahead and add some garden eggs, guys, and then cover it up. Add some okra, guys, and then cover it up. Guys, our palm nut soup is looking so delicious and finger-licking, guys. So we really has to allow it to cook and then really simmer on. Emuye take a kakra. Sanya benya yesevu eni yemuna obun sampa papabi. So it's doing perfect, guys. We'll go ahead and cover it up again. Go ahead and cook our rice. I've already added salt, guys. Stir it. Our soup is ready, so we are now cooking our rice, guys. Our Obuasi fried rice and AYEE TUROO will be ready soon. Guys, let's take some enkwa. This oil is so delicious and it's flavored, guys. It's infused with the spices and everything. So whenever you always have to take some. Yes, our rice is ready. What is Obuasi fried rice without leaf, guys? We are going to serve our rice in this leaf. What is Obuasi fried rice without a haban, guys? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Perfect. And guys, you just have to, and then like this, then you just serve it on your plate. Wow, look at this deliciousness. I'll make one for myself. Guys, this food is so delicious and so healthy, and this food is very common and popular in Obuasi and Seshi and Wasa in some parts of Ghana. So this is our authentic AYEE TUROO, abenkwai, and Obuasi fried rice. Guys, thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious healthy meal. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, share my videos with your friends and family. I will see you in my next video. Kiss, kiss. Bye. Adios. Do kiss.